Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a great Monday. Welcome to another edition of the ClickDesigns User Coaching Series. Today, we're going to be jumping right in and talking about how to supercharge your ClickDesigns content workflow. That's a lot of words, but basically, we're going to make it easier for you to access your designs that you create. So let's go ahead and jump right into training. While we get started, I want to know where you guys are tuning in from. So let us know if you're live or if you're watching this later on the replay. Also, let me know where you're tuning in from. Are you here in the US like me, or are you around the world? I love seeing where people are tuning in from. So let's get started here. And while we're letting people in, I'm checking the comments here. Hello to you too. So let me get over here. All right. So what we're going to be focusing on today is accelerating your design efficiency with these ClickDesigns functionalities. And these two things are going to help you supercharge your workflow, which means you create amazing graphics, but now you've got to get them into the content that you want to produce to the world. So this is going to help you two different ways in this training. We're going to cover that. One is the ClickDesigns WordPress plugin, and the next one is the ClickDesigns Chrome extension. So I want to show you how to install both of those today. We're going to do a deep demo, and I'm going to also show you how to use them to create content, including blog posts, blog pages. Also, I'm going to whip up an ebook just for you guys today. So let's go ahead and keep going. I'm looking, people are jumping in. So hello, everyone. Thank you for joining. So I'm going to jump into slides. We're going to do very quick. The housekeeping, less than a few minutes here. So just plug along with me. But if you have not joined yet, go ahead and join ClickDesigns. It's an amazing tool. I use it daily, and I know there are many people who are becoming power users, and that's what these trainings are designed for. So if you haven't yet, clickdesigns.com and /CB/CBD-new. And I'm sure someone on the team can put that into the chat for you. My slides are very slow today. So also, you want to join the Facebook community. There are two, but the first one is the ClickDesigns official community. This is where we're going to be connected. We're going to have training, news, announcements, product updates. We're going to just help each other grow with your ClickDesigns journey. You might be watching this right now in the Facebook group, or if you're new, maybe you're watching this on YouTube and you've never heard of ClickDesigns. Well, I'm excited for your adventure here because you're going to learn a lot about how to use an amazing tool to really get your graphics to a level of just high professionalism. People are going to say, wow, this person is setting themselves apart from the competition and want to do business with you. And the second Facebook group is the affiliates group, and we were live last week in that group, and you can see that this is where, if you're interested in another income stream of creating with ClickDesigns, that would be to promote this amazing software and earn 50% commission. So jump into that. Okay, and finally, I just want to cover how to contact support, and these are the many ways inside your dashboard. The official Facebook groups, support@clickdesigns.com is probably your go-to. You can also do it at support.clickdesigns.com, and for partners, we have partners@clickdesigns.com. So I hope that helps. And then finally, the last housekeeping item is we have coaching on Mondays, just like we're doing right now. And every other week is user, which is expert insider ClickDesigns coaching with me. And I'm going deep. We've done this several weeks in a row already, where you guys have learned the basics about ClickDesigns, how to get started. Now we're getting into the fun stuff, and we're still getting things set up. So today we're going to be helping you set up the Chrome extension and the WordPress plugin for those who have WordPress, and this will help you accelerate your workflows and how to get from your graphics inside of ClickDesigns into these cool content places. And then the other weeks, we go live about making money with ClickDesigns. And this is as an affiliate. And so every other week, we're going to do expert insider user training, and the other weeks we're going to do making money. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. We have so many comments that have come through, and I see some more coming through. I love you guys too. And let me tell you, thank you. I'm here volunteering to help you guys learn and accelerate your journey. And I hope that you guys tune in because this is going to help you. And if you have topics that you're not hearing or that you are excited to hear about, put those into the comments for the team to collect. And we put those in an order, and then we kind of tackle them one by one and go forward. And it's all user driven from you guys. So the more you want it, the more we'll give. The less you want it, the less we'll give. So that's kind of how it is. But who is Angie Norris? You're probably wondering if you're just tuning in for the first time. My name is Angie Norris. I'm an advanced online marketer. I love helping brands leverage game-changing software. And also, I'm a creative, so I love designs. And so it's perfect because ClickDesigns has the best of both worlds for me. It has the software side and the creative design side. So that's why I'm here helping you guys learn about ClickDesigns and how you can use it for your own business and how to level up. And so I'm excited to get started here. And I've created thousands, probably not thousands, but hundreds of ClickDesigns designs. And these are just a few. Let me zoom in here onto that so you can kind of see a little more. But I have definitely created many designs, and this is growing by the day. And so you'll be able to do this yourself to create your own designs. It's pretty cool. All right, let me get over here, get to the next slide. I'm also an affiliate, just like you guys, and I have helped sell over $1 million in other people's products since 2020, and it is fun getting commissions like these. These are the commissions from Mo Latif and ClickDesigns. This is just a handful from last year, and I get more this year, and it's so exciting. All right, so now let's get into training. I'm super excited. Let me move my face here over here. So we're going to talk about supercharging your ClickDesigns content workflow. We have a lot to cover. We have a lot of demo to cover today. So we're going to jump right into slides first, and then we're going to jump into the software, into WordPress, and into Chrome and downloading that Chrome extension. So we're going to accelerate your design efficiency with these ClickDesigns functions. What does that mean? It means that you have a workflow when you create designs. You go, you think, you have your vision, you create the graphic, but how do you get it from there inside the ClickDesigns software into the content? And so what is so cool is you have these fast paths, right? There's 3 different paths. We covered one last time, and we're going to cover that in a minute just quickly. But there are 3 main paths to do this very, very fast. And so we're going to cover how to install the ClickDesigns WordPress plugin, the ClickDesigns Chrome extension, and how to use it. And so I hope you guys are excited. Who's excited today? I'm going to see who's excited. Drop in the comments. I'm looking at the comments, and you guys are awesome. I should say you guys are awesome. Make me feel really good. So let's keep going. Okay, so first thing is, why do these exist? Well, we want to speed up adding assets to your content. Content is king, right? Content is the thing that everyone needs to be doing to get themselves out into the world, right? You are creating your digital footprint, and content is the thing that's going to drive that, to build authority, to get people to know that you're the go-to person about whatever it is. It could be your craft, your hobby. It could be somebody else's product. It doesn't matter, but you build lots of assets: content, blog, social media, sales pages, lead pages, webinar pages, book pages, blog pages. All of these are just pages, but it applies to everything. Any graphic that you have, every single piece of graphic that you have can be used using ClickDesigns. And I think that's what's the coolest part about the ClickDesigns ecosystem, is that it's not just for a couple things. It's not just for a mockup, which yes, those are really cool. Not just for bundles. It's not just to make magazines look 3D. There is a huge variety of things you can do with ClickDesigns. And I'm telling you, once you discover how many things there are, it's amazing. And I talked about this in a previous training. Thousands, right? Thousands of reasons to use ClickDesigns, thousands of things, templates, all these different amazing content pieces that you can create very quickly using templates. So there's thousands of ideas. You guys, the sky's the limit. Each person will be different. What I need is different than what you need, but you got to figure out what it is that you need in your business, and that's what you're going to create. All right, so let's keep going here. My slides are very slow today. All right, so the next thing is the ClickDesigns WordPress plugin and Chrome extension. That's what we're going to be talking about today. I am telling you, these two things are going to supercharge. I have not installed them to show you how to do it. So we're going to do that live in a demo. And when you're inside the dashboard is when you want to, let me go back one moment. Let me go back one more to, let's see. Okay, so we're going to speed up that. We are going to talk about these two things, right? But first, let me show you what this is. If you're just tuning in, I forget. I always think everyone knows what I know, or you're already inside the dashboard. But let me touch on this, how to find these. So inside your ClickDesigns dashboard, that is app.clickdesigns.com. You can go here and you'll see very high level on your main dashboard right here. We have install WordPress plugin. We have activate Chrome extension. That's the two places that you're going to find these. And so we're going to talk about that. But the first thing I want to talk about is where to find tutorials. Now, I want you guys to be resourceful. We can only cover so much in these coaching lives, right? We only have an hour each week, and I can't cover everything. And it's going to take time to get to some of the fun stuff too. We have to lay down the basics. We have to go through the process, and that's what we're doing. Like we talked about how to get started, how to access, how to create contents, what's possible. Now we're talking about how to make it faster. And so I want you guys to know that there's a place inside your dashboard underneath your profile. So if you go up here to your profile, you click it, tutorials, okay? And this whole thing is going to come up right here. And I want you to notice, let me move my big old head over here. Oops. Let me go back one more. Move my big old head over here. Let's see, there we go. Down a little bit. Okay, so right here, you're going to see on the left toolbar under tutorials that there are WordPress plugin and Chrome extension. So I'm going to show you today how to do it. You're going to be over my shoulder looking, but when you're done with this, you're going to go, do I have to watch the whole training to understand how to do it? No, there are two places you can find a tutorial specifically for these demos, okay? One is the WordPress plugin. So inside your dashboard, go to your face, click on that, click tutorials, and you will see this, and then the Chrome extension. Okay, so there are tutorials out there. Be resourceful, go find those. Another place to find tutorials will be on the YouTube channel. So go to YouTube, bookmark this page, right? The ClickDesigns tutorials page, and then go to playlist right here. Make sure you go to playlist, and you're going to see lots and lots of videos. Every single time there's a new feature, every single time there's something new, the team is so amazing. They create an awesome video tutorial that's very short, bite-sized, and they put it right here into the ClickDesigns tutorials on the YouTube channel, okay? So two places, we got the dashboard and we've got YouTube channel. Those are the two places. Go out there, start to go through that content. Yes, we're going to cover some stuff when I'm live, but I can't cover it all in one sitting. So go out there and you might find things that you're thinking about. Like, I wish it did this. Go out there. I bet there's a tutorial. So be resourceful. I wanted to make sure you guys knew where those things were. Now, last week, we covered the API integration for various products. Now, I specifically talked about Groove, and I do want to talk about Groove Designer Pro real quickly, because we have Groove Designer Pro and we have ClickDesigns, and people ask all the time, what is the difference? And I see the comments, and they sent me some of the comments from last time. I want to tell you that they are the same thing, but the difference is that Groove and ClickDesigns partnered, and Groove white labeled ClickDesigns. So it is the same interface, it is the same access, it is the same everything, but the white label means Groove was able to put and create their own name called Groove Designer Pro. It doesn't matter which one you're using, everything I'm talking about applies, okay? So whether you're a Groove Designer Pro, which I know a lot of you guys are, and thank you for using my link when you purchase. Secondly, ClickDesigns, it doesn't matter which one you're using, they're the same, okay? Just know that, and I know that there's a little bit of confusion there, but just know that it's the same. With the API integration, whether you have ClickDesigns or Groove Designer Pro inside of Groove, you still need to add the API key. How do you find that API key really quickly? We did cover this last time, but I just want to cover it really fast here, is you go inside your dashboard and you're going to click on your face again, your profile on the upper right corner. You're going to go to settings and you're going to see right here, API key, okay? And you're going to add it right here. And that is where you're going to be able to add your graphics very quickly into some of the many software that it's going into. And they're tackling one by one. Right now, there's a handful, I think 5 or 6 different ones. Groove is one. There's others. I don't want to name the wrong one, so I'm not going to. If you have a question about that, maybe the team can actually make a list in the comments so you guys can see. But there are 5 or 6 right now. It's growing. The list is going to grow, and they're going to do a little video on every single one. They're going to let you know, hey, we just integrated with this software. So you can add your API and access your stuff very quickly. So I wanted to cover that, make sure you knew. All right, and then the next thing is the ClickDesigns API integration with Groove is right here. So if you guys go to your profile inside of Groove, you're going to see this pop up and on the integrations tab, you're going to select ClickDesigns integration, you're going to add your API key. So that's from last week. You can go back and you can watch that. It's a lot there. Okay, now we're going to get into the good stuff. So we're doing good on time. I'm trucking through. Thank you for your feedback on that. And ClickDesigns WordPress plugin and Chrome extension. So inside your dashboard, you're going to find these 2 things, and we're going to jump into that. And I'm going to show you how to access it, download it, and then use it. It's going to be so fun. Let's start. Let me do a spot check. Make sure you guys are still with me. I know it's Monday, and it can be, one of those Monday mornings or Monday afternoons, depending on where you are. If you're eating lunch in Eastern time zone, happy lunch. But I want you guys to know that ClickDesigns is growing and changing every day. They're going to be adding more and more and more stuff. It's really, really exciting. So some of these features, when I'm inside the demos and dashboard, guys, things might change over time. What I'm showing you right here may shift, okay? There might be more buttons that show up right here in your dashboard over time. This video might change over time. These up here will start to grow over time, depending on what you have access to. So what you see may shift. And if it does, and you have a question, support@clickdesigns.com. Okay, you guys doing good? Are you guys doing good? Okay, who's excited about this feature? And I want you guys to know that it doesn't matter if you're techie or not. They've made it really simple to do. And again, there's a tutorial, walks you through it if you guys get stuck. All right, let's keep going here. Trying to get my slides to go. Okay, so why are we showing you this? Because we want to speed up your workflow of adding assets to your content pieces, whether it's on the web, whether it's something more tangible like a slide deck like I'm showing you right now. It doesn't matter what it is that you're creating. You need graphics to make it pop. You need graphics to set yourself apart. This is what's going to help you, but we want to make it fast and easy for you to access those designs that you've created. And so this is the way you're going to do it. And then the first thing is there are thousands and thousands of graphics that you need on an annual basis when you have a business, or when you're trying to build authority, or when you're trying to be social. And websites, ebooks, slide decks, eComm stores, video projects, guides, social media, case studies, emails, blogs, reports, articles, I say that twice, membership sites, live streams, knowledge bases, and more and more and more and more. What's specific for you is going to be different than me, and every single person is going to have a different set of assets that they need, but everything, the sky's the limit, and that's what ClickDesigns is going to help you with. And so the first one is the Chrome extension. So we're going to jump right in to how you're going to actually put this into your Chrome extension bar so that you can access it now. Now, I'm going to cover this one first because to me, this one's an easier one for every single person on the planet to be able to use, because I would say most of you guys use Chrome. And if you don't, you should shift over to Chrome. Lots and lots of great reasons why. But as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, Chrome is great. And I used to be a Firefox girl for 30 years, it feels like. And I finally shifted to Chrome, and now I can't go back. But when you're on your ClickDesigns Chrome extension, you want to be logged in to one of your profiles. All right, so here's how we're going to do it. We're going to show you right now. You want to go to chrome.google.com web store. All right, you're going to go there, and we're going to download it right now. But I'm going to, before I do that, let me get through the rest of the slides. There's only a few, and then we're going to jump into how to do all of this stuff. That sound fair? Okay, I always prepare slides, and that is because I want to be structured for you guys. And so you guys might be like, man, why isn't this always over the shoulder? Well, I want to keep on track with what we need to learn in one sitting. And we only have 60 minutes each week, so I want to cover as much as I can. And by having a PowerPoint slide deck, which is what I put together, it keeps me on focus. So let's keep going here, and let's see. I'm going to go through these slides really quickly. So where do you find the Chrome extension? Well, you can go inside your dashboard and click Activate Chrome Extension right here. If you click that, a window is going to pop up, and it's the Chrome store, and it's going to immediately go to ClickDesigns, which I'm going to show you, but it's very easy. Inside your dashboard, app.clickdesigns.com, activate Chrome extension. That's how you're going to get there. And then there's the WordPress plugin, and you can go straight to WordPress. So wordpress.org/plugins/ClickDesigns, or you can download it inside your dashboard, which I'm going to show you because this is easy because it just downloads right to your computer. So we're going to cover those two things today. And again, you can go inside your dashboard, which I'm going to show you how to do it this way, or you can go to the WordPress plugin store and search that way as well. Okay, and then I'm going to also show you guys how to add a review. So that would be fun, right? So I'm going to show you in WordPress how to make a blog post. And it's going to be really, really cool because the blog post is going to be like a review. I'm not going to go into the super detail because it's going to take too long to create like a super good review based on individual personal feelings about ClickDesigns. But I'm going to take something from the assets that Mo has given us, and we're going to create a blog post that will be awesome to showcase to the world. So you guys excited? Okay, cool. So I'm going to jump into demo. I'm going to show you how to download the WordPress plugin, show you how to do the Chrome extension, and we're going to create some amazing graphics. So let me jump over here. We're going to go to the Chrome store and do this one first. And so if you guys can see my screen, let me make sure I have lots of windows open here. So Chrome Web Store. if you go here and type in ClickDesigns, this is going to come up with the ClickDesigns Chrome extension, and you can add it here. There's another way to access it, and that's inside your dashboard. So let me show you that. So inside your dashboard, you'll be able to just click this button. Now, because I have lots of different Chrome profiles, I want to make sure I'm on the right one. So I'm going to actually use this method. And let's go ahead and add it. So let's go ahead and add to Chrome. Add extension. So you're going to allow it permission to add the extension to your Chrome. Okay, it has been added here. See how easy that was? It was like a click of a button. And then what you want to do is you want to also see how it goes away. If you click the extensions tab and you click pin, now it's going to be right here. See it right there? Okay, so that was pretty fast. When you click that, it's going to ask you for an API key. If you don't have an API key, you can actually sign up for a free trial of ClickDesigns. But here, you're going to click API key. And then you're going to go inside your dashboard. So let me do that. You're going to click on the extension. And when you open that, this box is going to come up, and you're going to go to ClickDesigns. And when you go to ClickDesigns, I'm going to show you how to get your API key. You're going to click on your picture. You're going to go to settings. The computer's a little slow. And then you're going to click on API key. Now, I'm not going to show you my API key because I don't want you to take it. So I'm going to do this without you seeing. So I'm going to go right over here to my slides here. Switch over here. This is what makes it hard on live, says I have to be careful about my personal information. So I'm going to grab this API key. I'm going to copy it. And again, there's a tutorial on this. So if you guys need the step-by-step, there's a tutorial on this on the YouTube channel as well as inside your dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and add my API key over here to my thing and submit it in my settings. So on the extension, settings, add your API key. And now let me see if, all right, I think I have it set up now. So now when I click on this button, you're going to see what I see now. So you weren't seeing that before because I was only showing the Chrome tab and not the window. So what you want to do is inside of, let me make sure. Yeah, so now I've got to keep it on this window. So I'm going to be looking this way because I have 3 screens. But as you can see, you're going to have this tab now on your extensions bar. When you click that, you're going to click that, and you're going to see now you have access to all of your stuff. And you have access to your bundles. You have access to your custom. So inside My Designs, you'll be able to search. Another cool feature is you'll be able to search by teams. So I can click on Jessie Warner and see everything that she's done. I can click on Mary Sanchez and see everything she's done. But if they haven't created certain things, it won't be in there. So, but that's okay. So custom, it's pretty neat. I love how you can create other stuff. So this is my account that I have not created a ton with because this is my demo account for you guys. If you guys saw my other account, my team members have tons and tons and tons of stuff. But this is my account that I've just created things with training with you guys. So all of these I've created on lives with you guys, and that's why there's not as many as my main account. But what's really cool is that now you have a Chrome extension. Every time you think, okay, I want to access my designs, you just go right here and you click this. You don't have to log in to ClickDesigns. So it's pretty cool, right? Okay, we're gonna come back to this in a minute, but the next thing I want to show you guys is how to actually use this. Are you guys wanting to do that? So I created a very quick, let me show you here, get over here to this. Okay, so you guys see my get all of my stuff. Okay, so you guys see this. I've created this because what we're going to do is we're actually going to create an ebook really quickly using the Chrome extension. So here we are right here. I added just a few pages. I'm using Google Slides because I'm using PowerPoint right now and I don't want to kind of interfere with my PowerPoint. So we're using Google Slides and I'm going to show you how to do this. So first we got to create some assets, right? So let's see, there are trying to get my stuff. So there are several assets here. We're going to fill this content up right now. So you guys, we're going to take the 10 minutes and we're going to actually create an ebook live right in front of you. You guys are always asking about, hey, how do you create your stuff? Well, I'm going to show you really quickly how I do it. So the first thing we want to do is we need to go over and create some assets. So let me get back here. I'm live, guys, so this, you have to bear with me. When I'm doing demos, it's a little difficult. Okay, so I'm in here. Let me get my face back there. Okay, all right. So now we want to create some assets. Okay, so let's go to ClickDesigns. Oops, actually here. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to use something that is already given to us by Mo in the JV Creative. So if you're a JV partner, you go to this website, and I've showed you guys how to get here many times, but clickdesigns.com/cb/invite, and you're going to click creatives. So we're going to come down to this page and I'm going to go down to blogs and articles. Now we're going to use the same blog post for two different demos here. This one is going to be for the Chrome extension to show you how to create an ebook using the Chrome extension. And then the second one will also be how to make a blog post inside WordPress using the WordPress plugin. So let's use this right now. So we're going to take this and we're going to turn it into an ebook. You're going to see two different screens. I'm going to go back and forth. So we're going to go here and we're going to go ahead and create this. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to copy the title, right? 6 reasons why you should use graphic design on your blog. And then I'm going to go back here. And the reason why I have to switch back and forth is because it's two different Chrome profiles. So I'm going to go up to the top here and I'm going to put that title right here, paste, and let's see, there's an extra character. Now you're going to have to bear with me because I'm going to be doing this live and who knows what is going to happen, but I'm going to do my best to do this as quickly as I can. So I'm going to make this title really big. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to move this up. Now I usually use PowerPoint, not Google Slides. So as you can see, we have 6 reasons why you should use graphic design on your blog. And then I'm going to take this out. And let's see, let's see. Try to use this, delete. And then I'm going to make this a paragraph. Like I said, this might not be pretty, but happy to share this with you when I'm done with it. If you guys want it to use it for whatever, you guys can change the colors out. And if you want to know how to change the colors, you just click this. You go to, man, my computer is slow moving with this mouse. It's going very slow. So you can change the colors out to whatever you want. I'm going to keep it the ClickDesigns blue. Okay. All right. So here's a graphic we're going to need. So that's one graphic. And then I'm going to go and grab over here. I'm going to grab this right here, and we're going to put it into, man, you can tell I'm live because it's very, very slow. We actually just got new internet too. Okay. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to move this up. This. Move that up. That. So you can see I'm creating an ebook. And I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm not going to make it super pretty. You know, you guys know me. I'd make it like Supercharge. But the point is we're going to add a graphic to this spot right here. And then we're going to go to the next page. And we're going to add, I'm actually just going to take this one out. I don't think I need this one. Okay, and now we're going to add the 6 different ones. So we have number 1. I'm just going to do 1 page because of time and because of how slow my computer is running on this live. But you have, there we go. Graphic designs attract more visitors to your site. And then we can go add the content. So let me switch back here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to add this, go back here, and add it here. Okay. And we're going to add some graphics over here. Okay, so as you can see what I'm doing, I'm creating an ebook based on what's provided to us by Mo and the team. Okay, so we could do this for each page, right? So I can make number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, so we'll do that in a minute, but I'm going to show you now how to go into ClickDesigns. So let's go into ClickDesigns here, and where's my dashboard? Here's my dashboard. Okay, now let's go up to templates. Put this over so I can see better. All right, so we have devices over here. Let's click on devices and let's pick one of these. These are perfect, right? So if we click one and let's see, let's do this one. Let's use it. Okay, remember guys, I'm going to drill this into your head. Always hit the heart button to save it because you never know when you're going to want it back and you'll realize that you can't because you didn't place it in the place you remember, right? So I'm going to put AGN demo. I'm just going to use this as a quick thing. My computer is slow because we're live. Well, that's working. How are you guys doing? Are you guys tracking with me? Yes, good, 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 good. So very easy to add the extension. We covered it in like less than a minute, right? That's how quickly it is. You go inside your dashboard of ClickDesigns, you click on the button, it immediately will pop up into the Chrome store, download the extension, add your API key, boom, you're off to the races. So I'm going to show you how to access it now by this. So we're going to click this and edit. I'm going to add my design. I'm going to add myself here again over here, and I'm going to take my background out. Okay, done. Okay, so there I am there. Can I make myself skinnier? Okay, and then here is a great logo, but maybe I want a different logo. So let's go here to designs. Let's type in logos. Those are my logos, but let's go to templates and let's go to ClickDesigns. Let's see if we can find a ClickDesigns logo. If I wanted, I can just use this. So there we go. Take this out, delete, and add that right here. Okay, so we could do that if we wanted to, or if we wanted to go get the real thing, we can click save and exit. It's already saved. I don't have to do anything, right? I don't have to do anything. I don't have to export it out, nothing. I just have to keep it there. And then I go back. Let me go back over while that's spinning. Switch to this scene. Hold on. Okay, so now we're going to click on the extension right here. Oh, my computer. Look at that, guys. See, it's right here. So now I just hit download. And it's going to download into my downloads folder. And then I can go back to this main one. I can go here. I can delete that. I don't need that anymore, right? And then I can go to insert, image, upload from computer, and device. Boom. Boom, boom. Is that not so cool? How fast that was, right? I can move this up. Move this up. And go here. Okay, so that's the cover. The cover's done, right? And I can move, maybe I'll clean this up after this call, and I will clean this up and I will show you the end result of this using my own time, because I know like we're running out of time here, but this is how you can do it. Now, if we just go quickly to another page and say we want to add a graphic here, and I know I have some already, so let's click on this, and then we're going to click on the download button there, as you guys can see, and then we're going to come back here, we're going to click insert, we're going to click image, we're going to click upload, and we're going to see it in your downloads. That's how quickly it happens. Look at that. And then I can make this go right here. Now, of course, oops. So let me move this down. And let me, man, my computer is struggling. So I apologize for how slow it's going. It's like moped speed, and it's because I'm on a live and I'm trying to have too many windows. But okay, so center it. There's a text. Okay, and we do that for each slide. Boom. Pretty cool. How many people, I'm not going to go through I was planning on going through this whole thing, but I don't want to take away from the WordPress plugin. And we have 15 minutes left. I want to make sure I cover that and how to create a blog post and how to create a page. So look at this. I created this. Would you guys want me to finish this out after this call, and then I will put it back into the description or the comments of this? Would you guys want to see that? And you guys, I'll even share the link and you guys can go and create your own. How about that? Okay, I will do that and I'll finish it out because I don't want to take away the time here. But how cool was that? How fast was that? You literally, you can access your stuff so quickly and create some pretty cool designs. So let's keep tracking along. And what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about the WordPress. So inside of WordPress, I've already created a couple WordPress instances for you. So I have one using, this one is Divi theme. So what's great about the WordPress plugin is it works alongside all of the major players for themes inside WordPress. And so if you are inside your dashboard here and you go back to the main page, you'll be able to access the WordPress plugin right from here. So let me go back here to dashboard. And we're going to click install the WordPress plugin. Again, there's a tutorial. If you guys need the step-by-step, we're doing the quick and dirty here. But here it is right here. So now I can click download. And it's going to download into my thing. I just realized you can't see my face. Let me add. Hold on 1 second, guys. For some reason. Okay, there's my face. For some reason, I'm keep going away. Okay, so I'm going to hide that one from the screen. Okay, there I am. Okay, so I see here right below, you can see the ClickDesigns zip file. We're going to need that in a minute, so we're going to stay tuned with that. But let me show you now how to, I'm going to upload it twice, once in using Divi themes and once using Elementor. So here we are, here in Elementor. And if you're familiar with WordPress, this is going to be easy for you. If you're not, no problem. Again, tutorials. So you want to go here to plugins on the left toolbar inside your dashboard. You're going to click Add New, and you're going to upload plugin. You're going to choose the zip file that we downloaded. And let me go to my downloads. Here's the zip file. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to install now. And it might take a little minute because my computer is slow. Oh, actually, activate plugin. And let's see, let's go down here, ClickDesigns. Okay, and what is really neat is if you notice something pop up on the left toolbar, ClickDesigns. Now, this is where the API key comes into play. Now, I don't want you to see my API key, so if you're going to give me a minute, I'm going to switch back to this scene. Okay, real fast, while I add my API key. And what you want to do is, again, you're going to go to your dashboard. You're going to click on Settings, top right corner. You're going to go and grab your API key. Let me grab it here, and then you're going to go into the plugin and add your API key. Don't want you guys to see that, and I'm not sure how to protect it while I'm going live. So, but just know, okay, so I have added it to both of the things. I'm going to show you it again. Let me show you one more time how to add the theme, or add the plugin, sorry. So inside your dashboard, you'll see it's been added here. Let's go into my other one, which is Divi themes, and you're going to, again, go to plugins. You're going to click Add New. You're going to click Upload Plugin. You're going to choose the file from the one you downloaded, and you're going to open, Install Now. Okay, make sure you guys are seeing this. Activate plugin. And as soon as it's activated, it shows up here on the left side. You're going to click this, and you're going to add your API key. Let me switch. I don't want you guys to see my API key, so hold on one second. Okay, I'm going to add my API key. Submit. All right, it was added. Okay. All right. Let me move out of here. All right, let me switch back. Okay, so now we've added to two different WordPress instances. I have this in Divi themes, and I have this in Elementor. Now, if you're wondering, what are you talking about, Elementor? So WordPress is an application that allows you to create web pages, blogs, landing pages, but each one has its own theme. So when you are in Appearances, Themes, you'll see you can select the theme. Now, Elementor is a very popular one. I do have a license because I have created some for myself. And then also there's Divi themes, and so I put those in here. But what's great is the WordPress plugin for ClickDesigns works with all the popular ones. So it's pretty neat. So let's keep going here. So that's themes. Okay, so now let's actually create something. You guys ready to create something fun? Okay, let me open this. Okay, so we're going to go up, and in Elementor, we're going to click Post. You guys want to create a WordPress post? Okay, I'm going to go back here to Divi themes. I'm going to click on, hold on, I'm just looking. Okay, so let's go and create a post. Now we're going to click Add New under Post, and I'm going to close this out. We don't have time to build the entire page out. I mean, it takes time, right? So we're just going to do this very, very quickly, but I'm going to show you how to access your designs inside your WordPress, which is really, really cool. So this is going to come up. Let's go. Okay, here we go. So it's so simple. You create by adding your design, right? So let's go to image. Let me make sure you guys are seeing me. Yep, okay, still on the screen. Okay, so again, if I wanted to use the same, let me grab this real fast. So right here, I'm going to add this to the title. Oops, wrong place. Okay, so we're going to add how about, let's add an animated headline. Let's go. Okay, there it is. And then we're going to actually say 6 reasons why you should use graphic design. Let me make that a little smaller, right? Okay, let's go down here to headline. And let's go to typography and make it a little smaller. And I want to make it a different color. All right. How about the blue? Okay, and we're going to click on this, and I'm going to actually, how's that? No? Does that look weird? Okay, 6 reasons why you should use graphics designs on your blog. Now the spacing is a little crazy, but you get the idea. Okay, so now we're going to create, and we're going to go up here. We're going to add an image. So we're going to drag that here. And this is the secret, guys. We're going to click on this to choose your image, and look what pops up. ClickDesigns. ClickDesigns pops up. You click that, and ready for your mind to be blown? All of your designs are in there. If you've created bundles, if you've created custom, they're all inside your WordPress dashboard. Is that really, really cool or what? Let's go over to the other WordPress, and we're going to create a page now. So I'm going to create add new, still spinning. It's not ClickDesigns, it's my computer, because we're not even in ClickDesigns right now. Okay, so I'm going to use the Divi Builder. I'm going to go and find the template. Yeah, it's too slow. Okay, I'm going to use a pre-made. I'm just going to use this one. Click this. Use this layout. So I'm going to use this page. Hopefully it won't take too long to import in, because my computer is very, very slow. This is why I use a lot of PowerPoint. Is if you wonder why does she use so much PowerPoint? Because PowerPoint is quick. I can go through slides. I can go through content. When I'm doing demos, this is what happens on lives. Is my computer is so slow. And I'm on fiber. We just got brand new fiber. But you get the idea. You can access all your stuff right here. I'm going to refresh this page. Let's see, reload. Here we go. So now we can edit this page. Really cool, right? So if I want to change out this image right here, why don't we do that? Let's click the gear. Let's go to image. Go to our ClickDesigns tab. It's that fast. And then let's put this one that we just made today. Okay, so now use that, upload image. So as you can see, depending on your WordPress instance, it may add it to your media bin first, and then you insert it. But look at that. That just changed immediately to my image. Let's do it again. Let's come down here. Let's find another image. This one right here. And we're going to change this out. Click the gear. Click the image. We're going to go to ClickDesigns. Can't tell if my live stopped. All right, I'm having some major computer issues, so I apologize if you saw a glitch or I froze. I felt like I froze, but I'm just going to, for sake of time, I'm just going to quickly add one of these. So again, I clicked on ClickDesigns, and I wanted to use one of my designs that is in my ClickDesigns bin. And then it's going to add it to the media library, which it's not doing because I think my computer is just having some issues. So I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to upload image here, and I'm going to hit check mark, and you're going to see it right here. Pretty neat, right? So I was able to add this. Now I can create this whole page. I can take the content that we have from the 6 reasons to use graphic designs in your business. And this is really, really easy. So that is the WordPress plugin. Let me go back to Elementor here and see if this one will work now. Insert post. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there is that. And we're going to, I'm going to add a headline again, see if it works this time, and then we're going to close out. I know we're a little over time, so I'm going to write 6 reasons to use amazing graphics in your business. Okay. So I'm going to click publish, and I'm going to show you that I was able to create this. So as you can see, now this is because I haven't set up my WordPress at all, but this is the page, this is the blog post here. How quickly was that? This is live to the public, and it's on your blog and your post. We were able to do an ebook today. We were able to do a lot. So let me go back to my slides here, and we're going to close out. So thank you for sticking with me. That was rough with my internet, but it's what happens. And I just want you to know, like, we're going to have those little live hurdles and tech issues here and there, but just know that the content is still amazing. You were able to, 1, download the Chrome extension instantaneously. It was so fast. You go inside your dashboard, you click, and then you're able to go to your media bin right there inside of your Chrome. I mean, that's so amazing. I was able to download my graphics, put them into an ebook that I was working on in Google Slides. How awesome, right? And number 2, you were able to download the WordPress plugin, again, from right inside your dashboard. You click that, a page pops up, you download the plugin into your local folder in a zip file, and then you're inside your WordPress instance. You add plugins, you upload by adding a new plugin, find that zip file, and boom, add your API keys to both, and you are in business. It's very quick. Once you set it up once, you never have to set it up again. That too. So remember that. So I hope this helped you add faster workflow to getting your designs into content. Now, if I had all the time in the world, I would have finished out the blog post and the web page and the ebook. But of course, we only have an hour and we have a lot to cover. So I had fun today. It was just so cool nerding out with you, and I hope you guys did too. If you guys have topics, questions, things that you want to hear about, please put that in the comments. If you enjoyed your time with me, please also put that, because they only asked me back to be a featured guest whenever you guys want me to be back. And so I appreciate all the love. You guys are amazing. I love you too. And so we're going to go ahead and close. And I just want you to say thank you for having me again. We have done 9 weeks, I think 9 weeks of content, and every other week is affiliate training, and the other weeks are expert user training. And so next week will be affiliate training. I hope you guys tune in. But man, how cool is that? These Chrome extensions and the WordPress plugins, to me, it just makes it so much quicker to access your stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed today. I know I did. If you want to say thank you, you can subscribe to my outdated YouTube channel, angienorris.tv. But for now, have a great week. I hope you guys have fun. I hope you guys don't have slow tech. Like my internet was really slow today, but we accomplished a lot. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sticking with me to the end here. I know we're a little bit over, but I just want to say that I love you guys, and I will see you guys on the inside. Bye.